Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we make design easy and fun. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's Color Palette Generator to create eye-catching color schemes for your designs. Whether you're working on a logo, a social media post, or a website, this tool will help you find the perfect colors in seconds. Let's get started. What is Canva's Color Palette Generator? It's a free tool that helps you create color palettes from any image. Simply upload a photo, and Canva will automatically pick out the main colors, giving you a ready-to-use palette that's perfectly coordinated. It's a great way to find colors that work well together, especially if you're struggling with color choices. How to use the Color Palette Generator. Now, let's see how to use it. Start by going to the Color Palette Generator on Canva's website. Upload an image that inspires you or one that represents the mood of your project. Canva will instantly generate a palette with the main colors from the image. You can then click on each color to copy its hex code, which you can use in your designs. Applying your palette in Canva Designs. Once you have your color palette, it's time to apply it to your designs. In Canva, start a new project or open an existing one. Use the hex codes from your palette to customize elements like backgrounds, text, and graphics. This ensures that your entire design stays cohesive and visually appealing. Save and reuse your palettes. Don't forget to save your favorite palettes. Canva allows you to save colors directly in your brand kit if you're using Canva Pro. This way, you can easily reuse the palette in future designs without having to re-upload the image. And that's it. Canva's Color Palette Generator is a simple yet powerful tool to help you create stunning designs with just the right colors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!